If your mouse feels slow, unresponsive on Windows 11, this quick tutorial will help you fix it in just few clicks. So first of all, we open the settings on Windows 11. On the settings, you can go to the Bluetooth and devices. On the Bluetooth and devices, you can see here is mouse. Click on mouse, and right here it's mouse pointer speed. So you can change this mouse pointer speed. You can increase. For example, here I increase to 15. I think it's enough. So it depends on your usage. You can adjust these settings, and you can see after I adjust this to from 10 to 15, it make this pointer it's more faster than before. So I hope this video is useful, and see you in the next video.